MacBook Air Pro charger ensures fast, safe charging, maintains battery health, and keeps your device powered for work and travel. My today's video is about top 5 best MacBook Air Pro charger that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Effort MacBook Air Pro charger. The Effort 70W charger delivers impressive, super fast charging performance, powering an M2 MacBook Air to 50% in just 30 minutes and fully charging a 13-inch MacBook Pro in under 2 hours. Its strong output easily supports the high-speed processing demands of M1, M2, M3, and M4 chips, ensuring stable and efficient performance. Designed with original quality dynamic software and hardware systems, it intelligently learns your charging habits to help maintain up to 98% maximum battery capacity and reduce long-term battery aging, effectively extending battery lifespan. With smart power distribution from 20W to 70W, it's widely compatible with MacBook Pro and Air models, iPads, Surface, Dell, Lenovo, HP laptops, and even iPhone 15-16 series. The USB-F certified 6.6-foot cable is durable, been tested 20,000 plus times, and supports 480 megabits per second data transfer. A soft LED indicator, foldable plug, and built-in multi-protection system make it reliable, portable, and travel-friendly. Now our second product is a Silicon V MacBook Air Pro charger. This 45W T-tip power adapter is a reliable replacement for MacBook Air 11-inch and 13.3 models released between 2012 and 2017, including A1435, A1465, and A1466 series such as MD223, MD224, MD231, MD232, MD711, MD712, MD760, MD761, MJVM2, MJVB2, MJV2, MJVG2, and MQD32/42/52. Designed with an input of AC 100, 240V and output of DC 14.85V, 3.05A, it delivers stable and efficient power to your MacBook Air. The T-tip connector ensures secure connectivity, while the built-in LED indicator provides clear charging status. Amber indicates active charging, and green signals a full charge. This adapter is the second-generation model, specifically crafted for devices before 2017, and is not compatible with MagSafe third-generation Macs. Lightweight and compact, is ideal for daily use or travel. Additionally, responsive 24-hour customer service ensures any issues are promptly resolved, offering peace of mind and reliable support for maintaining your MacBook's performance. Our third product is the Spanka MacBook Air Pro charger. This 85W MacBook Pro charger is a reliable and high-quality replacement designed for models A1398, A1424, MC975, MD506, Me293, Me294, Me664, Me665, MGXA2, MGXE2, and MJLT2. With an input of AC 100, 240V and output of DC 20V, 4.25A, it delivers stable and efficient power comparable to the original charger. The magnetic T-tip connector ensures easy, secure, and safe connection, guiding the plug effortlessly while protecting your MacBook Pro by disconnecting harmlessly under excessive strain. Built with premium components and IC chip technology, it provides multiple safeguards including overcurrent, overheat, short circuit, and overload protection, giving peace of mind during use. Its compact 3.15 x 3.15 x 1.10-inch cube design makes it highly portable for travel or storage, while the LED indicator conveniently shows charging status. Amber for charging, green for fully charged. Backed by responsive customer service and a 30-day return or exchange policy, this charger combines convenience, safety, and reliability for everyday MacBook Pro use. Now number 4, Tierplex MacBook Air Pro charger. The Tierplex 96W USB-C MacBook charger delivers impressive super fast charging, powering a MacBook Pro 16-inch to full in just 1 hour 35 minutes and bringing a 14-inch model to 50% in only 30 minutes. With a charging efficiency of up to 98%, it outperforms lower wattage chargers like 87W, 67W, 61W, and 30W, ensuring reliable performance for demanding M1 and M2 chip devices. Its wide compatibility extends to MacBook Pro 16, 15, 14, and 13-inch models, 2016 to 2023, MacBook Air, Dell, Lenovo, HP laptops, iPads, and other USB-C devices, automatically adjusting output for optimal charging. Built-in smart chip protections guard against overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, temperature issues, and short circuits, offering fast, safe, and long-lasting charging. Constructed with thick copper wiring and soft-touch TPE, the 6.6-foot cable withstands 20,000 plus bends, protecting your devices and supporting 480 megabits per second data syncing. The compact design, included cable, and 12-month warranty make it a dependable, travel-friendly, high-performance charger for everyday use. And our last choice is Think MacBook Air Pro charger. This USB-C MacBook charger delivers exceptional super fast charging, powering a MacBook Pro 14-inch M2 2022 or MacBook Air 13-inch M2 2022 up to 50% in just 30 minutes. With higher efficiency and stability than 70W, 67W, or 35W chargers, it easily supports the high-speed processing demands of M1 through M5 Pro Max chips. Its wide compatibility extends to MacBook Pro 14 to 16-inch M1, M5, MacBook Air 13 to 15-inch M2, M4, and numerous models including a 2681, a 2941, a 3113, and others, making it ideal for multiple devices. Built-in original quality dynamic software and hardware systems intelligently maintain up to 98% maximum battery capacity, reducing aging and preserving battery health. The 2M/6.6 feet braided USB-C to 3-port cable is durable, crafted from thick copper wire with seamless nylon, been tested 20,000 plus times, and ensures stable charging. LED indicators display yellow during charging and green when full. Multi-safeguard protections, cooling systems, and a 12-month warranty provide safety, reliability, and peace of mind. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.